Hi, friends. Good morning. I can't believe it's the end of the week. It's the end of our spring break. I can't believe that week flew by so fast. Can you, Miss Emily?
No, I can't. It's crazy.
But you know what? That just means that we're a few days closer to seeing you again, which is so exciting for us.
Yay!
So I thought maybe we'll start with our good mornings like we do every day, and we'll go into our circle. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? Very well, I thank you. Very well, I thank you. And you. Buenos dias, buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. Y usted. Now there's another song that we sing at Circle in the morning, and it goes something like this. And I know we sang it one other day this week. But let's do it again. Ready? Good morning, dear Earth. Good morning, dear sun. Good morning to the trees and the birds and the bees. Good morning to you. Good morning to me. And now's the time when you get to say your good mornings. So, is Miss Emily at Circle today?
Yes, I am, and I'm so happy to see you. Is Miss Kendra at Circle today?
Yes, I am, and I'm so happy to see you too. Let's do our counting. Let's count how many children we have at our circle this morning. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Miss Emily and I talked about this before we started our lesson today, and Miss Emily thought it would be cool for us to count by 10. Are you ready? Let's do it. I'll start?
Sure.
Okay, 10.
20.
30.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. I think we went too far, Miss Emily, because we don't have 30 children in our class. What should we do?
Maybe we should take away?
Okay, but how many should we take away? Do you know?
I think we should take away, let's try 5.
Okay, so we'll count backwards from 30.
Mm-hmm.
So let's hold up 5 fingers, and we're going to count backwards, and every time we count a number, we're going to put our finger down, okay? So 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 20.
5!
I took 5 away, and that got me to 25, which means we have 25 children at our circle today. Good counting. Let's do the weather. Are you ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy out today?
All right, let's go look. It is out today.
Can't wait to find out what kind of weather you thought we were having today. We'll chat on Monday. Sounds good? All right, Miss Emily, I'm going to get us into our circle time slide. That way we can do of the week.
Awesome.
Oh my goodness, Miss Emily, do you have a fire truck coming down your street?
I do. I live right by a fire station, so sometimes there's a lot of them.
So you have a lot of people that are helping.
Yep.
All right, perfect. So here's our circle time slide. Let's start with the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days.
There are 7 days in a week.
Quick, make your 7. Go! Oh, too many. I made that mistake that you were doing. I thought I was doing a 5, Miss Emily, and I decided, you know what? I think I'm going to do 4 and 3 more. And I made a mistake. 4 and 3 more sounds good. Makes 7. Let's go back to the first day of the week, Sunday, to figure out what day we're on today. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Stop! Friday. Today is Friday, 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 Friday. All day long, all day long. Yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow will be Saturday.
Saturday. Oh, what fun.
Fun.
Oh, what fun.
All right. Let's see what number day we're on today. Are you ready, Miss Emily? Do you want to start, and then I'll do the next one? We'll alternate.
Yep. Okay. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,
11,
12,
13,
14,
15,
16,
17.
17. So 17 is one 10 bar and 7 units. It's 110 and 7 more units, and that makes 17. So today is Friday, April 17th, 2020. I can't believe it's already April 17th. This month is flying by. And we're in the season of spring. We've had pretty big days this week, Miss Emily, don't you think? A lot like the spring weather that we were hoping for.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to open up another slide, and first we're going to talk about it, and then I'm going to show you my experiment.
Cool.
So I'm sure that some of you have gotten some peeps in maybe your Easter basket, or maybe just a yummy treat that you have lying around. Although, if you look at the screen in front of you, it says peeps are often given around Easter. Although they're yummy in taste, they're not really that healthy for you. But they can be fun to eat. If you're eating your Easter peeps, let's see what happens when you place liquid with them inside of a cup. Okay, so for this experiment, you're going to need 3 glass, or it doesn't have to be glass. I actually have 1 glass bowl, and I have 2 plastic bowls for this experiment. But it does help if they're clear. You need water, 3 peeps. Now they can be the bunny peeps or they can be the little chick peeps. It's totally up to what you have in your home. And white distilled vinegar. Now I had a hard time finding distilled vinegar, so I found white wine vinegar. And I think it's going to do the same thing. And clear soda. You can use Sprite or you could use seltzer, anything that has a bubble to it. Okay, and for step 1, you're going to place your Easter peep in the bottom of each cup and bowl. Now, step 2 is when you're going to pour your 3 different liquids into your 3 different bowls. Now, before you start pouring, this is a really good time to talk to your children about what they think is going to happen with each different liquid. Now, when I get out of this screen, Miss Emily and I are going to make some of our predictions for what we think is going to happen to my peeps at home. Now, on step 3, you're going to observe. Now, this takes quite a few days for you to see some kind of change happen. So you're not going to see anything right away. It will be something that takes about 5 or 6 days for you to see the experiment fully happen. So you're going to see that in the water cup, the water starts to turn pink almost immediately. And not really much happens between the vinegar and the soda right away. But then, as you keep watching, it will happen. And the last step is that you can observe further. So I have sent all of your mommies and daddies an observation journal for you to document what you see, whether it be writing or coloring or drawing or both. You can write down in your journal what you see happen to your peeps as they sit in each different type of liquid. All right, so Miss Emily, now it's time for us to make our predictions. Okay, so I have my cup here with clear soda in it. Miss Emily, what do you think might happen to the peep with the soda?
Well, sometimes when I drink soda, it makes my tummy feel a little bit bubbly. So I feel like maybe the peep might get bigger. Maybe the bubbles will go inside.
Oh, that's a good idea. You know what else sometimes though? So if you're not using club soda, if you're using maybe Sprite, there's a lot of sugar in that.
Yeah.
So, but then the peep also has a lot of sugar. So I'm wondering if it might happen with all that sugar together.
Ooh, yeah.
Depending on what kind of soda you used. Those are some good observations. So what about the vinegar? What did the vinegar do to our egg? Remember when we did the egg experiment?
Yeah. Well, remember it made it kind of dissolve the outer layer. Also, it made it super bubbly. Remember, right when we put it in, all those bubbles went everywhere. So I kind of feel like it might get a little bit bubbly in there.
What about the color? Didn't the vinegar change the color of the shell?
Oh yeah, it took off a color of it. So maybe it would take
Yeah,
off the whatever color your peep is.
yeah, I'm thinking that that might happen too. That's a pretty good prediction. Now, what about the water? Water's pretty good
Hmm.
for us. So,
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like maybe it will just dissolve completely.
you mean like
Like if we put it
kind of dissolve in the water?
Yeah, like if we put it inside, maybe the water will turn pink and then the peep will be gone.
Oh my goodness. Wow, maybe that would happen. All right, well, now is your turn to make your predictions. Maybe your predictions would be kind of similar to mine and Miss Emily's, or maybe they're going to be totally different. And that's okay because a prediction is a guess. And it's not right and it's not wrong because it's what you think is going to happen. And then after your experiment, after you let it sit in about 5 or 6 days, um, check your prediction to see if you were right or if you were wrong. You ready? I have my pink peep. I'm going to put my pink peep in the soda water. Oh, he kind of floats
Oh,
like
it
a little.
floats.
I'm going to push him to the bottom. And I have my yellow peep, and that's going to go in the vinegar. And I have my green peep, and that's going to go in the water. They do float like little boats. I bet you as they sit in it longer, it will sink to the bottom. So, they are.
Oh, whoa. One of them's already turning yellow.
Yeah, the water, right?
Mm-hmm.
Water one. Actually, yeah, they are. My goodness, this is so exciting, Miss Emily.
So
All right,
cool.
now it's your turn, guys. Go do your experiment, and we'll check in, okay?
I can't wait to hear about it.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on Monday. Bye.